Hello everyone, I'm Rakshith Pai and in today's social media question series, I'll answer the following question. How can I be rich in the next 10 years? 2 points. Number 1, you won't become wealthy by working for someone else unless that someone offers you equity or some kind of profit sharing in the work you do. Number 2, in order to accumulate wealth, your income has to be more than your expenses and your savings must be invested in various asset classes, preferably equity. Take the list of the top 10 wealthy individuals, and not one or two, but all 10 of them made their wealth by holding equity in their company. It's a known fact that owning equity in a good company makes you wealth over time. But there are other companies which have lost money too. There are companies in which if you had invested 10 years back, it would have be worth less than 1% of your initial investment. And there are companies that if you had invested just 2 years back, it could have made you 10x the amount. All we do or try to do is find such investment that could make us money. And having a diverse portfolio is the best way to achieve the goal in a safer manner. I have shared my portfolio in the description and I wish to make at least 15% return on my investment per annum for the next 15 years. I'm happy with that and I'm pretty sure I'll achieve my goals. Becoming rich takes time, especially in stock market investing. Some people do make money or more money in less time during the bull market, but most tend to lose it all during the bear market because many speculate in the stock market. I mean, it's easy to make money in the bull market when almost all the stocks are quoting new all-time highs with each passing day. Wait until you experience a minor correction or in the worst case crash. Then that's when you realize that market test your patience. Now to answer your question, how to become rich in 10 years, there are various steps that you can take as follows. Be frugal with your spending. Save as much as possible. Invest the savings in a diversified manner. Choose different assets such as equity, bonds, gold, silver and real estate, etc. And be a mature investor. Take calculated risk and be patient. It may take time, it may take more than 10 years, but you will get there. So I hope that answers your question. Good luck with your journey and thank you for watching.